If you can't get a screw out, you can try this technique, which I just kind of invented for myself. Sure it already exists. Is bend the nail, bend the screw rather, bend the screw, and then start chasing it around in circles. This screw is absolutely stuck and it's soft, and I've burred up the end, so just keep chasing it around and it'll come out. Okay, it's kind of hard to film and do this at the same time, but I'm now doing it by hand. Oh, that's it out. Did I get it? Did I get it all? Yep. So it didn't break, and that's the whole screw. Next one. Got that one out too. Totally rusted.